Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 28 November towards 2nd December 2022. Now US30 on a weekly time frame in this week continued its bullish momentum, making a breakout of this major key level which we anticipated on our previous weekly analysis, seeing how US30 found its support over here and faced this price rejection. So we anticipated if US30 continues to respect this key level and this low as its support and continues with further bullish momentum by creating higher lows, then it might come all the way up to make a breakout of this key level over here. And as you can see, US30 in this week closed the week with this bullish engulfing candle, making a breakout of this key level over here. Now it could also face some price rejection from here as well, make some fake out and then continue to push down as well. So in that case, we'll be looking for trades on a shorter time frame to avoid some fake out traps as well. But if it's not a fake out and US30 does continue to push up with further bullish momentum, then we can expect US30 to come all the way, make a retest on this next key level with multiple major retest points. And US30, as you can see over here as well, made a breakout of this key level, came to retest this key level, and then it came to retest this key level with a breakout of this key level. So the similar thing happening over here, as you see, US30 made a breakout of this higher time frame downtrend channel and is currently making a breakout of this key level. So if that's the case, then this is where we expect US30 to continue pushing up to. However, if it does face some fake outs over here and faces some price rejection, then US30 might come down again on the short side to come all the way retest some sort of a support that it has over here on a shorter time frame, or all the way down to make a retest on this key level over here. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then you can see this uptrend line which US30 is currently moving in respect to, and also you can see this key zone which would be acting as US30's new support, like a recent support over here with multiple retest points. That makes more sense on a shorter 4-hour time frame. So if US30 is to continue pushing up with further bullish momentum to retest this key level, then it should respect this trend line as its uptrend line, and also it should respect this key zone as its support and continue to push up by creating higher high over here with further bullish momentum. Similarly, if US30 is to continue pushing down, it should make a breakout of this uptrend line, which is making a breakout of a recent support that it has, which for now is this one with further bearish momentum. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, you can have a clear picture over here. So in this 4-hour time frame, we have this key zone which we expect to be US30's recent support, and also this key level which is US30's major support that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame. Now for us to look for trades on the long side, we don't have proper setups over here, since we don't have proper structure to look for trades out of, and also we just saw US30 making a breakout of a higher time frame major key level and also this resistance zone over here. So we need some sort of a build up or ranging phase to be formed over here. So after the week opens, we should wait to see US30 forming some sort of a build-up phase, something like this, like a build-up ranging phase, by creating some sort of a small time frame resistance level, something like this, while we have our support at this key zone over here. And then after such build-up or ranging phase does get formed over here after this break and close, then if you see US30 making a break and close above that resistance of that build-up or ranging phase with further bullish momentum, at least on a 1-hour to 4-hour time frame, then we can start to look for trades on the long side after that break and close, in hopes of US30 coming all the way up to create new higher high in respect to this uptrend line, while respecting this key zone as its support to come all the way, creating higher high to retest this next key level which has multiple major retest points over here that you also saw on the weekly time frame right around here, just like it did over here and over here. Now however, if we see US30 after that build up or ranging phase without making a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum and continuing to create higher high over here by respecting this uptrend line and respecting this key zone as its support, if you see US30 after that ranging phase respecting some sort of a resistance over here and making a break and close below this support zone with further bearish momentum, then we can expect US30 to be making a breakout of this uptrend line, and in that case US30 might come down to make some deeper pullback to all the way make a retest on any of this key zone or this major key level, which is we also talked about on the daily time frame right around here, and also on the weekly time frame right around here as part of its deeper pullback once again by facing resistance over here. So let's see how US30 reacts towards this support zone over here, or towards a resistance that it could be forming over here by some build up or ranging phase over here, and then look for test whether on the long side after the breakout happens, or whether on the short side after the breakout happens on this bearish side over here. So that's my analysis on US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming weekend. If this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll give a link to this whole trading chart in the description as well, so you can see all these trend lines and zones.